Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying requirements. Confirm the machine uses UEFI Secure Boot and that you have administrator rights. Once done, back up your system and prepare recovery media so you can restore if needed. Next, reboot and enter UEFI/BIOS using the vendor key, often F2, Del, or ESC, so you don't waste time guessing. Make sure you know or can reset any firmware password. Now pause to note any platform or custom keys currently enrolled. You'll need that information for the next phase. Once in the firmware, locate the Secure Boot configuration section and select the appropriate mode, custom for key management or standard for vendor defaults. If your goal is to unlock, you may switch Secure Boot off. Alternatively, enroll specific keys by importing a provider public key, often. Sir, make sure to export the existing key database if the firmware allows it so you can restore later. Save changes, then reboot to let the firmware apply settings and confirm the system will progress to the OS loader. To finish, boot into the operating system and confirm Secure Boot status using built-in tools. On Windows, use System Information. On Linux, use mokutil or fbunger. If the machine fails to boot, immediately use your recovery media to access firmware or the EFI shell and restore the exported key DB or reset firmware defaults. Make sure to re-enroll the correct vendor or custom keys if a signed bootloader is required. One key troubleshooting tip. If the bootloader is rejected, re-enroll its signed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.